Pizza nights. Pizza nights. Let me see. What's your pizza? This is a margarita. Nay, kain. Margarita Berjuan. Nay. This is the James Pizza. Is this? This is mushroom and sausage. Oh, where do you want to eat? You want to eat here in... okay. Sit. Take your seat. How about you? What's yours? This is the capricciosa. In Tagalog, maarte. Capricciosa, di ba? Maarte. Maraming kapritsyo.
Aliam mo sa'yo para ano?
Ito naman kay mama. Ano naman to? Ito ay special din nila. Porcina negro.
Can I see the... Questo di chi è?
Mia.
Puoi lasciare un pezzo?
Sì.
Questo voglio
Sì.
assaggiare. Pure tu, Giz.
Dai, Joanna. Kuha ka na lang ng pangalan na to.
Ano, James? Masakit ba yung ano mo? Sakit anak ang wala mo?
Gaya pero nakain.
Basta masarap ang pagkain. Wala sakit-sakit yan.
Natalia, ayuta.
Kain. Let's eat.
Hai presente il tavolo, quello là nero? Dove sta?
Saka na yun.
Ano yun? Ayusin pa.
Ayusin na wala na po.
Dove mangio?
Se vuoi al tappeto va bene. Tanto lavato.
Serve niya per me?
Sì. Sì, mangi din.
Yan po valid exercise ng LGU, ating Panginoon, meron silang obligasyon ng mga lanak sa kanilang nakakatukan. Talagang may karapatan sila na kunin yung itinakda ng batas na assistance para sa kanila. Kung meron po silang concern,
Kaya mo kumain ng game?
they can write us as regulator.
Aji, lumamig na yung pag...
Sa LGU. Kami po being the regulator proclamation partner. So may violations po yun, pwede po namin silang issuehan ng cease and desist order, notice of violation, and eventually, we can suspend.
Kunin mo kayo upuan doon na isa.
Yung mga taho, we are considered as filter feeders kasi we actually filter out the pollution. We have this ability to improve the water quality. In order to solve this problem, mas hindi i-regulate yung dami ng structures instead of totally demolish lahat ng mga tahungan doon.
Ang recognition project po ay reversible claim po. Yan, una yung tinatambakan ng pangisdaan yan at nandiyan yung iba't ibang mga marine ecosystem. Nagkakaroon ng seabed dredging dahil winawasak yung natitang coral frontier ng Manila Bay. Wala ng 2021, mag-start yung dredging at reclamation sa Manila Bay. Mga 80% to 90% ng total production ng ating mga mangisdaan na wala sa Manila Bay. Panawagan natin, itigil yung recognition at iba pang mapanilang mga produkto sa ating mga coastal area para matiyak natin yung food supply and sustainable supply. Abot tayo ng mga Pilipino.
Sa Lacao po, itigil muna ang demolisyon. Hayaan manatili ang magtatahong para magtuloy-tuloy ang industry.
Sila pa maskara. Hindi naman.
Buong ano. Sarap-sarap. Better than Shakey's. Better than Shakey's.
Mahal din.
We grew up here with me and my wife and my children. We simply lived together with the dead.
It's strange to walk on the graves. It's something we never do in Italy, but here it's quite normal. They live on top of them.
Ano yan?
Cemetery.
Sa taas ang bahay nila. Cemetery, tapos
But I like being here and cleaning graves because my mom and dad are here with me.
Did you ever see ghosts?
Yes, it was as a child.
My name is Giuseppe, and I have a mission to travel the world to meet the most extraordinary people on the planet and to ask them a simple question. What does happiness mean to you? Welcome to Project Happiness.
Happiness means to me eating pizza with my family.
When we think of a cemetery, we imagine a place of tranquility, desolation, silence, and respect for the deceased. Here in the cemetery of Manila, believe it or not, 4,000 people live.
200.
And it's incredible because their life interweaves between life and death. Today we'll meet them to discover what it means to live among the dead
Kaya na.
and the
Okay,
graves.
minamali.
Welcome to the cemetery of Manila.
Kahit masakit ang lalamunan ni James, basta pizza ang pagkain, kakain si James.
Decided to build their homes in the cemetery.
Meron, James.
The answer is simpler than it may seem. It's free, it's safe, and if it rains, you don't get wet. You have to remember that Manila is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. And those who can't afford a real home often end up living in shacks made of sheep,
Grabe mo sa Pilipinas.
in slums where chaos and crime reign.
Bad.
On the contrary, a
Yan mo naman,
cemetery is
semental doon na eh.
and living inside a mausoleum means having a
Mga gwapo na lang squatters area.
a luxury that fewer and fewer people
Oh,
can afford.
mamma mia.
And right here, in a place where life usually ends, these people have found an extraordinary way to make it blossom again.
Hindi mo sisisi. Hirap ang buhay.
A deep sense of community.
Kasi abroad, swerte pa tayo.
This is definitely the most
Hindi kaya
interesting
nagreklamo
part of
pamilya
the
niya.
cemetery.
Hey,
There are people everywhere.
Si Giuseppe, Italiano to eh.
Especially,
Giuseppe.
this area is out of the mausoleums,
the mausoleum.
so people live right here inside.
Okay, hey, nice shirt. I like it, nice jersey. Watch,
Here there's a little market,
Tindahan pa.
and the market is built over inside the tomb.
Oh my God.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah, not bad.
Where is your house?
Here,
This one. Can I see it?
sure.
Wow, nice.
Hindi nagreklamo yung
This is my home.
Let me see. Wow.
Oh my God.
But you live inside a tomb.
Yes.
asa yung puntod.
Hello.
Well, and very comfortable here.
Good. Good. You're not scared?
No,
Why?
because it's not. That's also part of the house.
Okay.
May bahay sa babaw ng...
2 stories.
Two store.
Nice.
Nice.
Upstairs, children are.
How long have you been living here?
12 years. No, 11. Yes, 12 years.
And why did you choose to move here?
Paano kapag yung pestang patay?
I didn't have a house.
Ha?
No other way to go.
Tsaka undas, no?
How much do you pay to stay here?
Not much.
Zero.
Let's say it is 0. I don't pay anything.
Zero.
Yes, it's free.
And you are not scared about spirits, ghosts?
Well, sometimes I'm afraid. I happen to see unsettling things.
We're here to meet Joanna, a very young girl who, for love, moved into the cemetery and now lives among 1 million graves with her husband and her 2 daughters, born right here.
Ngayon, dumami yung
Nowadays, more and more people are living here.
Oh, mukhang ano to.
They chose to, but mainly
Jipok.
because they had difficulty making ends meet living in the city.
talagang mamuhay sa labas. Kasi,
When you live in an apartment in the city, there are a lot of expenses to pay.
Oh,
So people started forming a community inside the cemetery.
Basta ko kuya.
Poverty is the main reason we moved here. Anyway, it would be illegal to live here, but the government turns a blind eye, and people continue to live here. Because this is the only solution to at least have a place to sleep and a roof over your head. I've been living here for a long time now, and if you want, I can show you where I live. My house is up there. It's a small apartment. I can take you to see it, but we'll have to do some climbing to get there.
Sa babo ng sementeryo yung bahay ni Beautiful, oh.
It's strange to walk on the graves. It's something we never do actually, but here
In Italy.
we live on top of them.
Oh, God.
Can you climb?
Umakit nga ng sementeryo, oh my God.
Yes, you can do it.
Akit na buntod, oh. Ah,
Just like that.
my God, umakit nga ng buntod.
Here we are.
It's